What if you could start making money online without spending a single dollar? No ads, no tools, no budget? Just use your free time in these platforms to start earning today. No investment, no special setup. Just your time and a smart strategy. Sounds unreal? Stay with me, because this might change everything. In today's world, money is no longer limited to jobs or degrees. The internet has opened up new ways to earn. From online businesses to the creator economy, anyone can build wealth with the right idea. The internet has opened doors, but most people don't know how to enter. The opportunities are endless, but the path isn't always clear. Let's find the right door for you. They think you need a lot to start, but the reality is you just need an idea and action. They think you need money to make money. The reality is, ideas and action are what matter.
But what if that belief is completely wrong?
Today, we explore zero investment income ideas that actually work. These strategies require no upfront money, just your time and creativity.
Our first method starts with something you already use every day. But not for scrolling, for earning. Social media isn't just for browsing, it's for building income. But not for scrolling, for earning. It's not about views from scrolling. It's about watch time and ads. Content creation has become one of the fastest ways to make money. You don't need a camera, just your phone. I'm using my phone right now to show you how easy it is. Anyone can start creating today. Short videos, simple ideas, consistency.
At first, no one watches. I started in my bedroom, making videos alone. Slowly, I built an audience. Now, I have 12,000 followers.
But slowly, views turn into followers. Each view has the potential to become a new follower. Build your audience by creating valuable content. Followers turn into opportunities. Every like and comment builds your path to success. Transform your audience into real partnerships and growth. Second method, freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Build a strong profile and start bidding on projects. People are making money by selling skills they learned for free. From graphic design to guitar lessons, they're turning knowledge into income. You can start earning too, with skills learned online.
Writing, editing, designing, even basic tasks.
Websites connect you with clients around the world. They help you build global relationships. No degree required. Skills build your success. In the office, skills get you hired. Creativity thrives on skills, not titles. Start building skills today.
Only one thing matters. Can you solve a problem?
Improve your physical health, expand your knowledge, boost your creativity, enhance your well-being. Your first dollar feels impossible. It's the hardest one to get, but it's the start of everything. But once it comes, everything changes. The world we knew will be gone. An unprecedented event will reshape everything. Affiliate marketing is a simple way to earn commissions. Promote a product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Track your performance on your dashboard. You don't need your own product. Success comes from using existing resources effectively. Focus on innovation and strategy.
Welcome. I'm excited to show you this amazing gadget. It's the latest innovation, packed with cutting-edge features. This is a game changer. You have to get one.
and earn a commission. Sell products and services to earn commissions. Get paid for your sales efforts.
You can share links through videos. You can also share links through blogs. And you can share links through posts. These are all great sharing options. The more people trust you, the more influence you have. Share valuable content consistently to build that trust.
The more they buy, the more successful your business becomes. Encourage more purchases to drive growth. Now, something most people ignore. In the mall, it's the small details. In the park, the overlooked beauty. And at home, the quiet moments.
Online surveys and microtasks. It's a simple way to earn extra cash. Just complete short surveys or small tasks. Sign up and start earning today. Not glamorous, but real. This survey is one of those things. Laundry's the same. It's a chore, but it's part of life. And here, just thinking, it's all real, everyday stuff.
Companies pay for opinions. They use online surveys, street interviews, and focus groups.
Small earnings, but zero risk. Share your opinions and get paid.
Perfect for beginners. First, prepare your items at home. Next, bring them to the store counter. Finally, use the safe return station.
Next up, I have some exciting digital products. We have ebooks, software, and online courses. These can help you learn and grow.
But wait, no investment? That's right. You can start selling digital products online with zero upfront costs. No inventory, no shipping, just your knowledge.
But wait, no investment? The screen shows 0 returns. Without investing, your money won't grow.
You create something once. That one creation can change everything.
Welcome to this simple guide for pottery. Let's review the basic steps. First, center the clay, then pull the walls upward evenly. Finally, shape and smooth the surface. Let's create content using free tools. Free design and video tools make it easy. You can create anywhere, even in a park.
Sell it online. It's simple and effective. Start selling today.
Again and again, we optimize our global supply chains. Again and again, we analyze the data for insights. Again and again, until we achieve success.
Another hidden method is teaching what you know. When you're stuck in a repetitive loop, sharing your knowledge can break the cycle. You don't need to be an expert. Just share what you know. Your knowledge can inspire others.
The key to success is being just one step ahead of someone else. Keep learning and stay ahead.
Hi, let's learn some basic skills. First, reading. It opens up new worlds. Next, tying shoelaces. Practice makes perfect. Finally, swimming. It's great exercise.
Let's begin with language. Next is software development. And finally, school subjects.
Free platforms make it easy. Learn a new language, code your next project, or conduct science experiments.
Your knowledge becomes income. Share what you know and earn. Turn your ideas into revenue.
But here's the truth no one tells you. Yes, you can make money online. But it takes real effort and value.
None of this is instant. It takes time to build real insight. Growth comes from steady, deliberate effort. It takes patience. Consistency beats talent. The steady hand perfects the craft. The daily run breaks the barrier. The brushstroke creates the masterpiece. Most people quit early. Consistency beats talent. Keep going.
That's why they never earn. Without clear goals, you drift. Lacking preparation leads to failure. No effort means no reward.
Zero investment does not mean zero effort. You still need to put in the work. Consistent effort leads to real results. Meet our coder. He lives by dream big, work hard. But balance is key. He also hits the gym.
Your time, your skills, your focus. One idea can change your future. So choose one method and start today. Because the best time to start is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the first step today. I was walking on this beautiful trail. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos.